Let's see. Yep, we're running. Okay, so I've sort of cleared the around her, the Goggomobile, so you can get a better look at. Here's the motor, and as you can see, it says there ILO, which is an ELAW motor, and chain guard. I think there's the fuel inlet, and I'll swing around to go to the car, but you can see everything else is here. Chain, shock, all those goodies. I've taken the side panels off. This cover for this, I think this is the magneto, that I don't have. And the other thing that's missing is the spark plug, but there's a battery housing, fuel tank, and the spare wheel bracket. And then let's go around here. Let me just keep this orientated properly. So you can see here's, I've got that's a brake, and here's a brake and gears, I suspect, I'm not sure. You'll see the speedo arrays missing there. And then I'm going to go down this side. She's up against the wall, just to show you the carburetor. I think you can see it there it is there. There you'll see it's a Bing carb, that's still there. And again you see the ELO motor emblem, shocks, everything is there. Looks like there's a bolt missing here, or a nut rather. Yeah, and let me just take you to the front. So there's the headlight housing, all these little goodies here. Of course she needs a good sandblast and clean, and a repaint. And this is pewter, as you might well know. But yeah, there she is. And I've always kept her inside. She's never stood out in the open. That rust has got her with it. So yeah, and of course I don't have any papers for it, as I think I told you. I got her from a neighbor who got her off a lot. He bought it at an auction. All right, so if there's any further questions, what you see there is what I got. Okay. And oh, down there is that plastic packet that's got all sorts of cables and other attachments that go with the bike. Okay, chat soon.